We are standing in the construction site that will be my new home in Tbilisi, Georgia. It's a pied-à-terre I bought a couple years ago. We decided to renovate this. So I hired my friend of a decade to help me do that. And today I'm going to show you exactly how we're renovating this home. When I first met you in 2015, real estate was insanely cheap. It gradually went up, and then during the pandemic, and then after the war, it just shot up even more. So I'm not exactly sure how I paid so little for this. What do you think it's worth today per square meter?
Yes, you are absolutely right. So since that time, the demand on real estate increased a lot. Now we can say we can say it's the best location in Tbilisi. All this renovation and all this stuff, I think $3,000 per square meter is absolutely minimum now.
With or without renovation?
Even without renovation. And with the renovation plus, I don't know, 500, 900 maybe plus.
So this is the new pied-à-terre. Vaho has been renovating all of our apartments and offices here for years. He also builds big, beautiful buildings. Let's take a look. It's 1,750 square feet, give or take. It's 161 square meters.
Mm-hmm.
What's happening here?
So it's quite old building. It's about 100 years or plus maybe. So we do all the renovation here, starting from floor. We take out all the floor. We put a new wooden beams. We put a new plywood in the bathroom areas. We put a metal. And also now we are doing the piping for air conditioners. We are trying also to keep all the old materials, so we don't want to put everything new. We are trying to keep as much as possible the old stuff. We have a very good designer who is doing this interior designer, who did all this designing work. So,
yeah, it was pretty affordable and pretty high quality. Even in some Western countries, you can't get people to easily do what she did with all this and the renders and everything.
We will put these moldings everywhere to keep this old style, and of course everything will be done with the new materials, but with older style. I think the result will be fantastic.
So this will be a coat closet and some storage.
Right.
It does get down to 0 here in December.
Mm-hmm.
Is that the coldest it gets?
Actually, January is the coldest month. -10 is the minimum.
Hidden radiators, which is nice. You don't always get that.
Yeah, we will have hidden radiators here. And this will be a main living room, TV wall here. We're gonna have a hidden wall there, which goes to toilet. And there we have a master bedroom.
Let me show you what we did. Mm-hmm. So we have the living area. We took this main suite, and next to it, there was a hallway that came all the way down parallel to the main suite into this teeny tiny little sitting room, like maybe a room for your cat. And I said, knock it out, put a door here, build a beautiful built-in wardrobe, reclaim this hallway space, make this a ensuite master bathroom, and then wall it off over there to have a little powder room kind of hidden off the living area. Mm-hmm. This had the Soviet-style bathrooms, where back in Soviet times, the toilet was always separate from the shower and the sink.
Right.
2 rooms.
Right.
Well, remember where I previously lived? It was the former home of one of the famous Georgian composers, and I had the musical theme.
Mm-hmm.
And I just think this home, you're in the city center, it is older. I imagine, what was it like to live back in the early 1900s?
Yeah.
And that's what we're going to do. We're bringing in the phonograph. We're doing old school moldings with a modern twist. We're doing neutral colors with kind of a navy blue and gold accent. I love having the copper. So to me, copper is Georgian and Turkey. Like, that's the metal. So we're doing everything in copper. I know that you guys were sourcing stuff from all over the world. Just to, I'm driving them nuts a little bit.
Yeah.
shower, bathtub, toilet, double vanity, lots of storage space. So you only get here through your wardrobe.
Mm-hmm.
There's a privacy to it.
Exactly. And what you see now, it's only half of the wall. We will put isolation here, the voice isolation and thermal isolation, and we will cover it. We will put another layer of gypsum panels, so you will have good isolation.
So yeah, I bought this. I bought this? I think during the pandemic, like August of 2020. No,
I think so. Yeah.
No, August of 2021. And it was crazy because what I paid for the old place was like $1,176 per meter, and I paid just under this. It was $182,000 for 161 meters, and then you get separately titled, I guess, the cellar is 16 meters. Yeah, there's a lot of renovations in Tbilisi that are done for Airbnbs because that was the big thing. You could get really good yield on Airbnb. And so there was a lot of apartments that were done to this kind of like, I don't know, what do you call it? What do you call this Airbnb style? It's like a sign that says love on the wall and
hammocks in the middle of the living room.
Right. Like little colorful furniture. This is serious business here. This is a serious job. So we'll have a little sitting area over here. We'll have potentially someone could work if they make a part-time job. We'll have the bar.
Yeah, we have this also. Exactly, we're going to have a bar, which this bar will go here. This dining table there on the opposite side. And we have a kitchen.
Did you think when you got into this business in Georgia that there would come a day we're doing renovations of this quality with these materials with such professional designers who handle everything, great furnishings from around the world?
I had hope that one day I will do such a beautiful renovation, yes. I had this hope. I didn't know when it would happen, but yes, it happens, and I'm really happy to do this, to be proud that I did this renovation, so I'm really happy to do this.
Yeah, so we added this wall.
Yes,
there was so much wasted space.
Exactly, so we have now plenty space to put the cabinets here, the sink, the oven, all the stuff. Yeah, we have plenty space here. We have a fridge, space for fridge, and it's more than, I think the area of the kitchen is quite okay. Especially you have other place for a dining table.
Yeah.
So to do some things, to cook here, to do minor cooking. Actually, why minor? So you can do
serious
everything.
Cooking.
Yeah.
Dinner.
Yeah. Why not? Yeah.
We decided not to cut this. There's a talk of cutting a hole out, like for handing food through it. That's kind of.
It's always better kitchen to be isolated. You know.
You think so?
Yeah.
Now, we were just talking about how I was showing people in like 2017, 50 meters off Freedom Square, apartments for like $800 a meter that would be 5 times that price today, all these years later. It goes to show you have to find a place, get in early. It's been incredible.